everybody, welcome back to Plan All the Things. Today I'm going to be planning in my classic Cappy planner for October 5th through the 11th. I'm going to start off here by laying out my washi tape. I'm going to be using stickers from, I think, the Wild Botanicals sticker book. Some of them. I don't really get into a lot of the botanical themes, but this felt kind of fall-ish to me. I think some of these are also Homebody stickers. So I put down some peach washi tape, and I'm going to put down some big quote stickers. I really like the gold leaf accents in these decorative stickers. One of the things I love to do in my planner is layer, and I find these box floral stickers a good way to do that. So I'm overlaying, lined, boxed stickers with lines to make task areas. I'm not an hourly planner, so I just designate some section of every day to list out my top 3 or 4 priorities. So there I have something set up for Thursday and Friday. Yeah, I'm pretty sure some of these did come from the Homebody collection. I'm putting up a task box for Wednesday. And whoopsie, I realized I just put 2 task boxes for Wednesday. So what I'm going to do is kind of layer and make this one for Tuesday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I don't mind using some asymmetry in my planner. Everything doesn't have to be exactly in one specific area. I think that's some of the creative inspiration. Putting down a weekend sticker here. And now just adding some more decorative elements, some task headers and whatnot. Yeah, wild and free, that must be what some of these stickers are. I also, as you can see, don't mind covering up stickers. Sometimes, the sticker itself I don't care for, but it has just enough of a decorative element that I can make it work. If you're into Happy Planner as much as I am, then you know that there are a ton of stickers. I don't think I could ever get through all the stickers I have, although I sure do darn try. Now I'm adding some horizontal quote stickers and looking through to see if I have any other large quote transparent stickers to kind of fill out the gaps. Again, I can't believe it's already October. I thought this was kind of a fun florally fall theme without being too over the top fall. I really like those transparent flowers as well. So yeah, this is kind of simple for me, simple for my style, but very elegant. I think it came together well, and I'm excited to see what it looks like after the pen. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe if you want to be notified of more content I post. And in the meantime, I will see you in my next video. Happy planning, guys. Bye.